All right, the next Easter tip is a big one that you cannot skip over, and it's this. If you're going to have a successful Easter, if you're going to move beyond a big event to big long-term impact, everything you do must be fueled by prayer. That's right. I know it's an obvious one, but you cannot do anything big for God or for God's kingdom unless you cover it, surround it in prayer. I remember as I was going through Bible college and learning about ministry, I had a mentor, Pastor Scotty Gibbons, who would always say, the battle is won in prayer. And that is so true. Anytime you set out to do something significant for God's kingdom, you've got to remember it all starts and ends with prayer. So no matter how great the strategy is, and no matter how awesome the ideas are, if we're not praying as a church, we can't expect God to do great things. So don't skip this step. If anything else, if nothing else, if all your church learns to do is pray more during lead up to Easter, it's going to be well worth it. So cover everything in prayer. We'll see you in the next tip.